Are you looking for delicious and healthy smoker recipes? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today we're diving into the smoky world of BBQ, a universe where flavor meets health in an irresistible dance. We're not just talking about the classic smoky ribs or brisket. Oh no, we're going beyond the typical, exploring a variety of recipes that are sure to delight your taste buds while keeping your health in check. From succulent smoked salmon to a plant-based smoked tofu BBQ, we're covering a range of options that cater to different dietary preferences. Because, let's face it, everyone deserves to enjoy a good BBQ. So whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a novice looking to experiment, these recipes are for you. Stay tuned to discover 10 mouth-watering smoker recipes that are not just delicious, but also promote a healthy lifestyle. Number 1. Smoked salmon. First on our list is a classic, smoked salmon. This recipe is not only a crowd pleaser but also a powerhouse of nutrition. To start, you'll need a side of fresh salmon. Make sure it's good quality, as the taste of your smoked salmon will heavily depend on it. Next, you'll need some kosher salt, brown sugar, and black pepper for the dry brine. The brine is essential as it not only seasons the fish but also pulls out moisture, making the fish firmer and easier to smoke. Now let's talk about the smoking process. You'll want to use a wood that complements the salmon's rich flavor. Alder wood is a classic choice for smoking salmon, but apple or cherry wood can also add a nice touch. Once your salmon is in the smoker, the waiting game begins. Patience is key here. You're looking to smoke your salmon at a low temperature for several hours. This slow and low method ensures that your salmon is perfectly cooked, with a smoky flavor that permeates through the fish. Now let's talk health benefits. Salmon is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart health benefits. It's also rich in protein and contains a good amount of vitamin D. So there you have it. This smoked salmon recipe is not only delicious, but also a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. It's perfect for a weekend barbecue, or even just a regular weekday dinner. Enjoy this flavorful and omega-3 rich smoked salmon at your next barbecue. Number 2, smoked tofu BBQ. For our vegan friends, we have a fantastic smoked tofu BBQ recipe. This dish is not only a delight for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Tofu, the star ingredient, is a wonderful source of protein, and when smoked, it absorbs all the lovely flavors of the barbecue. Let's dive into the recipe. You'll need a block of firm tofu, your favorite BBQ sauce, and some liquid smoke. Begin by pressing the tofu to remove excess water. This step is crucial, as it allows the tofu to absorb the marinade better. Once pressed, cut the tofu into slices about a ½ inch thick. Now it's time for the marinade. Mix your BBQ sauce with a few drops of liquid smoke. Immerse the tofu slices in this mixture, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let the tofu marinate for at least 2 hours, but if you can leave it overnight, even better. Next, fire up your smoker. Once it reaches a medium heat, place the marinated tofu slices on the grill. Let them smoke for about 30 minutes, flipping them halfway through to ensure even cooking. Once done, the tofu should have a beautiful smoky flavor and a firm meaty texture. The beauty of this smoked tofu BBQ recipe lies in its simplicity and versatility. Serve it with a side of coleslaw or grilled vegetables, or stuff it into a bun for a delicious BBQ tofu sandwich. This smoked tofu BBQ is sure to be a hit at your next plant-based feast. Number 3. Smoked chicken breasts. Next up, we have a protein-packed delight, smoked chicken breasts. This recipe is a classic, combining the smoky flavor of the grill with the succulent juiciness of perfectly cooked chicken breasts. You'll need a few simple ingredients to get started. First, the chicken breasts, of course. It's best to use boneless, skinless chicken breasts for this recipe. You'll also need your favorite barbecue rub, some olive oil, and applewood chips for that perfect smoke. Start by patting your chicken breasts dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial, as it helps the rub adhere better to the chicken. Next, drizzle the chicken with olive oil and apply your rub generously, ensuring every nook and cranny is covered. Now comes the fun part, smoking the chicken. Preheat your smoker to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, adding the applewood chips for that lovely smoky flavor. Place your chicken breasts on the smoker, close the lid, and let the magic happen. The chicken should smoke for about 1 hour, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This smoked chicken breast recipe offers a plethora of health benefits. Chicken is a lean protein, which aids in muscle growth and repair. It's also low in saturated fats, making it a heart-healthy option. Plus, smoking the chicken adds flavor without adding extra calories or unhealthy fats. This smoked chicken breast recipe is a must-try for all health-conscious barbecue lovers. It's a testament to the fact that delicious food and a healthy lifestyle can indeed go hand in hand. Number 4. Smoked vegetables. Who said vegetables can't be the star of a barbecue? Try our smoked vegetables recipe. We're talking about a medley of vibrant veggies, each bringing its unique taste and texture to the smoky symphony. Bell peppers, zucchini, eggplant, onions, and tomatoes all make fantastic candidates for this recipe, but feel free to unleash your creativity and add in your favorites. Begin by chopping your chosen vegetables into large chunks, ensuring they can withstand the heat without wilting away. Then, give them a nice bath in a marinade of olive oil, minced garlic, fresh herbs, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Let them soak up these flavors for at least an hour, the longer the better. Next, it's time for the magic of the smoker. Arrange your vegetables in a single layer on the grill and smoke them at a moderate temperature. The gentle, slow heat will coax out the natural sugars in the vegetables, caramelizing them to perfection and infusing them with that irresistible smoky flavor. While these veggies are a delight to the taste buds, they're also a boon for your health. A plant-rich diet is packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that promote a healthy heart, radiant skin, and robust immunity. So you're not just treating your palate, but also nourishing your body. And there you have it. These smoked vegetables are a colorful, nutritious, and delicious addition to any barbecue spread. A feast for the eyes, a party for the taste buds, and a gift to your health. Now, isn't that something to celebrate? Number 5. Smoked turkey breast. Fifth on our list is a holiday favorite, smoked turkey breast. This recipe is a perfect blend of flavor and nutrition, making it a must-try for all barbecue enthusiasts. Let's start by discussing the ingredients. You'll need a bone-in turkey breast, some olive oil, and a blend of your favorite herbs and spices. We recommend a mix of rosemary, thyme, garlic, salt, and pepper for a classic flavor profile. Next up, the cooking process. Begin by prepping your turkey breast. Rinse it thoroughly and pat it dry. Then, brush it with olive oil and generously apply your spice rub. Once your turkey breast is seasoned to perfection, it's time to smoke it. Place it in a preheated smoker and let it cook at a low temperature until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This slow cooking process will infuse the meat with a rich, smoky flavor that's hard to resist. Now let's talk about the health benefits of turkey. It's an excellent source of lean protein, which is crucial for muscle growth and repair. Turkey also provides a good amount of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6 and niacin, which are essential for energy production. And there you have it, a smoked turkey breast recipe that's not only delicious, but also good for your health. This smoked turkey breast recipe is a heart-healthy and tasty alternative to traditional barbecue meats. Number 6, smoked brisket. Now we're moving on to a barbecue classic, smoked brisket. Imagine the aroma of a slow-cooked, tender piece of brisket, perfectly smoked, just waiting to be savored. A delicacy enjoyed by many, the smoked brisket is a staple of any barbecue. But did you know that this flavorful dish can also be a part of a healthy lifestyle? Let's break it down. The star of this dish is, of course, the brisket itself. We're using lean beef, which has plenty of protein to help build and repair tissues, along with iron and zinc. These minerals play a crucial role in our bodies, from maintaining a robust immune system to aiding in cell division. Next up, the seasonings. A dry rub of paprika, black pepper, and a touch of brown sugar brings out the meat's natural flavors without adding too many calories. Garlic and onion, two powerhouses in the world of nutrition, add a layer of complexity to the taste and provide a boost to your heart health. Now, for the smoking process. Slow and steady wins the race here. The meat is smoked over low heat for several hours, allowing the flavors to fully penetrate the brisket. This method of cooking also helps to tenderize the meat, making it melt in your mouth. And the best part? This recipe can be enjoyed guilt-free. Lean beef is lower in fat than other cuts, and when paired with a side of grilled vegetables or a fresh salad, it can be a part of a balanced diet. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to making a delicious, nutritious smoked brisket. This smoked brisket recipe is a crowd pleaser that doesn't compromise on flavor or health. Number 7, smoked eggplant. Next up, we have a vegetarian delight, smoked eggplant. This recipe is a testament to the versatility of the humble eggplant, transforming it into a smoky, savory sensation that's sure to impress even the most dedicated meat lovers. Our ingredients for this dish are simple, yet flavorful. We start with a couple of fresh eggplants, olive oil, salt, and pepper. For an extra kick, you can add some garlic powder and a touch of cayenne pepper. The process is straightforward. First, we slice the eggplant into thick rounds, then brush each slice with olive oil. After seasoning generously with salt, pepper, and optional spices, they're ready to hit the smoker. We aim for a temperature around 225 degrees Fahrenheit, letting the eggplant smoke for about 1 to 2 hours. The result? A beautifully smoky, tender eggplant that's bursting with flavor. It's a perfect side dish for any barbecue or can even stand alone as a light, smoky entree. But the benefits of this dish go beyond taste. Eggplant is packed with nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's low in calories and high in antioxidants. So, not only does this dish taste fantastic, but it also supports a healthy lifestyle. This smoked eggplant recipe is a flavorful and healthful addition to your barbecue lineup. Whether you're a vegetarian, a barbecue enthusiast, or just someone who loves trying out new, exciting flavors, this dish is a must-try. Number 8, smoked shrimp. 8th on our list is a seafood delicacy, smoked shrimp. Now let's dive into the ocean of flavor with this tantalizing treat. Smoked shrimp is a simple yet sophisticated dish that brings out the natural sweetness of the shrimp, complemented by a smoky barbecue charm. To start off, you'll need some fresh shrimp, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and your preferred blend of herbs and spices. The first step is to marinate the shrimp in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and spices. This not only adds depth to the flavor, but also ensures that the shrimp remain juicy during the smoking process. Next, you'll want to preheat your smoker. Aim for a moderate temperature, around 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your smoker is ready, arrange the shrimp evenly and let them smoke for about 20 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on them, as shrimp cook quickly, and the timing may vary based on the size of your shrimp. Now, while these little gems are smoking, let's talk about their health benefits. Shrimp are low in calories, but high in protein and several essential nutrients like iodine, an essential mineral that many people don't get enough of. They're also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their heart health benefits. So there you have it. This smoked shrimp recipe is not just about indulging your taste buds, but also about nourishing your body. This smoked shrimp recipe is a light, tasty, and nutritious barbecue option. Number 9, smoked portabello mushrooms. Next, we bring you a vegan barbecue favorite, smoked portabello mushrooms. This delectable dish is not only a crowd pleaser, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Portabello mushrooms are low in calories and fat, yet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals, making them an excellent substitute for meat in your barbecue. Let's dive into the recipe. You'll need some large portabello mushrooms, olive oil, soy sauce, and your favorite barbecue spices. Begin by cleaning the mushrooms and removing the stems. Next, mix the olive oil, soy sauce, and spices to create a savory marinade. Brush this mixture onto the mushrooms, ensuring every nook and cranny is well coated. Now, it's time to fire up your smoker. Aim for a medium heat, around 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the mushrooms on the grill, gill side down. Let them smoke for about 20 minutes, then flip them over and smoke for another 10 minutes. The mushrooms should be tender and juicy, with a smoky flavor that will make your taste buds dance. This recipe is not just about tantalizing your palate, though. Mushrooms are a known superfood, packed with antioxidants that help boost your immune system. They're also high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy heart. So there you have it. This smoked portabello mushroom recipe is sure to satisfy your barbecue cravings while keeping things healthy. Number 10, smoked quinoa stuffed peppers. Last but not least, we have a unique and nutritious recipe, smoked quinoa stuffed peppers. This is a dish that will not only satisfy your barbecue cravings, but also load up on some serious nutrition. First, let's talk about the ingredients. We have bell peppers, which are a great source of vitamins A, C, and B6. They lend a beautiful color and a natural smoky sweetness to the dish. The stuffing is made of quinoa, a superfood that's high in fiber and protein. It's also gluten-free, making it a perfect ingredient for those with dietary restrictions. Now, let's dive into the cooking process. The bell peppers are halved and seeds removed, then lightly brushed with olive oil. The quinoa is cooked separately, then mixed with your choice of herbs and spices. The halved bell peppers are then stuffed with the quinoa mixture, ready to meet the smoker. They're smoked until the peppers are tender and the quinoa has absorbed that beautiful smoky flavor. The result? A beautiful, colorful dish that's not only a feast for the eyes, but also for the palate. Each bite is packed with the smoky goodness of barbecued bell peppers and the hearty, nutty flavor of quinoa. This smoked quinoa stuffed peppers recipe is a delicious and innovative take on healthy barbecue cuisine. It's a dish that proves that healthy and barbecue can go hand in hand, and that even the most dedicated meat lovers can enjoy a plant-based dish from time to time. So next time you fire up your smoker, remember this recipe and treat yourself to a healthy barbecue feast. There you have it, 10 delicious and healthy smoker recipes to try at your next barbecue. We've journeyed across a variety of flavors, from the savory smoked salmon to the flavorful smoked tofu BBQ. We've explored the succulent smoked chicken breasts, the vibrant smoked vegetables, and the tender smoked turkey breast. Let's not forget the hearty smoked brisket, the smoky eggplant, the seafood delight that is the smoked shrimp, and the earthy smoked portabello mushrooms. And of course, we ended with a twist, the smoked quinoa stuffed peppers. Each of these recipes offers a unique taste experience, and the added health benefits only make them more appealing. So the next time you fire up the smoker, remember, you have an array of options to choose from. Remember, a healthy lifestyle doesn't mean compromising on flavor. Happy barbecuing! For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous,